Hello everyone, welcome to another section of my video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make money using StarClick. You can make a lot of money using StarClick. I mean a lot of money. So when you come here, you can see click and publish advert and earn money online. You can see from there, transfer your balance securely, PayPal, bank transfer, Western Union, bank transfer, and more. So your fund is withdrawable through this platform. It's a very legit one you want to use. So you can see you can actually sign up as two accounts. When you hit on the sign up button, you can sign up as an advertiser or as a publisher. What's the difference between these two sign up? The difference is that as an advertiser, you are submitting your advert with StarClick so that StarClick actually publish your ads to different platforms, and for every impression you actually get, you can see the effect of those ads on your either website, on your app, or whatever thing product you are advertising. While the publisher account is an account that allow you to earn by clicking or watching some videos or clicking on some stuffs on the StarClick dashboard. All right, to actually sign up on the StarClick account, you need to click on the registration page. When you click on the registration page, let me just come in here. Okay, now let me click on the, sorry, I actually opened this up so that you can see how it looks like before I dive in. So now when you click on the sign up as a publisher, sorry, this should come last. When you click on sign up as publisher, this is the page how it comes up. So it asks for your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your home address, that's the postal address, your city, where you live, your zip code, and all of that information. So you want to make sure that all of your informations are correctly inputted, especially your what's it called, your email address, because activation link will be sent to your email. And once you receive the email, you want to click on the activate my account now so that it can bring you something like that. So once your account has been activated, you can see your account has been successfully activated. You can now sign in to StarClick. Okay, now let me just sign in so that you can see how the, all right, sorry, excuse me. All right, I'm showing you this newly created account so that you can understand how the process goes. You can see, so and when you newly create account, this is just how your dashboard will look like. You can upgrade to the gold membership with just $5, or you can just continue with your light membership as a silver membership. So you can see initially by signing up you have 5 cents for today's work. So what do you want to do? You just want to come here and click on pay per click ads. So you are being paid for every ad that you click. All right, so this is one of the advertisements for silver membership. So when I click on this, this is it. So I just have to browse through this page, and you can see, just have to browse through to the end. And so that is just how what you actually have to do on this platform. Just have to make some click. You can see now my balance has become 1 cent just by clicking on the first ad that I actually have on that platform. So when I click on this also, I just have to wait for it to load up. So once it load up, I'm going to wait and go through the pages from the top to the bottom. All right, so this page is also opened. Alright, I just want to go from the top to the bottom. Just spend few seconds. You don't need to use 5 minutes, 10 minutes on this platform. So you can see I just have to come here and just look at some few things, and you can see, so, and I scroll up back, and when you come to your dashboard, you can see I'm already having 2 cents already just by clicking on the second ad. So you can see that this is actually simple. It's very easy for you. And when I click on the third, at this point in time, I don't use multi-tab, so I can't really say if multi-tab actually works in terms of giving you money. That is opening multiple of those ads in different tabs and seeing. So I can really advise you do that now so that you don't lose your 8 cents per day. So I just want to go down through this, and okay, I just want to do this. and come back here. I have 3 cents already. You can see I don't even have to wait for the page to finish loading up before I have my earning. For the fact that I click on those ads, I get my earning. So I click on those. Okay, so you can see you may want to accept all for now. It doesn't change anything, so you scroll down through the page. All right, so just you don't need to actually read the content of the page. You're not concerned with whatever the website or the page has to offer. All this platform just want to generate to their website is traffic. They want to generate visits to their website. So when you visit those websites, you get paid for those visits in cents. And if you can do 100 visits in a day, imagine. So though the fee as a silver member is not actually high, because it's just some few cents for each page you visit. You get so, but the more um, pages you're able to visit, the more you have been able to earn. You can see in the last few visits I had 4 cents already. So if I can visit 50 to 60, you can see how much I'm going to earn per day. And this is not going to eat up your data so much. So it's even better than wasting your time on Facebook posting unnecessary things or reading other article that's not going to pay you. Imagine if you do these, if you're earning 8 cents per day, or if you can double things up and earn $2 per day. At the end of the month, you're having $60. It's just a passive income. It's just a side hustle. You don't have to actually dedicate the whole of 24 hours for these activities. So it's actually a cool one. I hope you like this video. I will appreciate your thumbs and like so that I can drop more of my content for you. I thank you so much. I really appreciate. So now let's head back to our dashboard, account overview. You can see I'm having 5 cents a, so which means that I already have 5 cents in my account. So you can go for your mobile. You can see I have 5 clicks and I have what's it called, 5 cents, and my progress is just